Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to start a secret chat on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that, go to, for example, I will go to this conversation, and after that, go and click on the picture of the person in the conversation. And after that, I have to go and click on more in the list here. And as you can see, the second option is start secret chat. I should click on it and it will ask me, are you sure you want to start a secret chat with that person? If I like it, I click start and it started a secret conversation. So I will say hi. And as you can see, we are using this secret conversation. So we have two conversations. We have the normal conversation and the secret conversation. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.